Right, today's Monday, and in another 2 days there's going to be a wedding. And Mel's uncle's daughter here is putting all this together. This is where the reception's going to be. You probably recognise this as the basketball court.
Yes, because it's cheaper than in hotel.
Yeah, it's cheaper, isn't it? They're going to slaughter 3 pigs, and the pigs were bought as piglets and raised by her uncle, and they've got 2 days of life left. Well, less than 2 days, aren't they? They've also built on this side as well. All this washing will be gone, obviously, and then they'll cover this in just in case the weather's not good. It should be okay, but the rainy season's starting again. So I thought you'd be interested to see what it just never ceases to amaze me how Filipinos sort the situation out. Everything can be sorted. They don't stress over anything. It's really good. Yeah, and even the neighbours help, not just family, neighbours as well. Be careful, babe, because that's not secure.
On Wednesday there's a lot of plenty of
There'll be plenty of food, and it's another budget wedding. It's at a church, but this time it's not at the cathedral because they can't afford the price at the cathedral, so it's a local church just over there. So we'll be taking a video of that, and we'll try and give you some prices as well of how much it's all cost. We've been asking, haven't we? So
depends also.
They've put some leaves around it now, and I'm sure that by the time Wednesday comes it'll be a lot better, won't it, babe? Because I can imagine they're going to clean it up as well. Hello. So yeah, it's gonna look the business by the looks of it, isn't it? All good. Well, it's the morning of the wedding. Aye. Wow, that's a big fish. I might have some of that. I don't mind big fish, but that little fish, my God. So they slaughtered 2 pigs yesterday, and I missed it with the camera. I don't mean the actual slaughtering, but how they were cutting it up. I mean, look at that. I mean, that's amazing. The Yukim family's massive. Oh, is that the second pig?
No, 3rd pig.
That's the 3rd pig. So they've actually slaughtered 3, and they'll be cutting that up later, obviously. Yeah. So the Yukim family, like I said, is a big family. There's lots of people, and also at these events you'll get all the neighbours and friends attending. Now this is the ball court. Look how they've made it. I mean, isn't it amazing? Look how bad it was, and now look how good it is.
Do you remember this pig?
Do I remember? Of course I remember her.
Who is she?
It's Acta.
Okay.
She looks very beautiful. So these are the 2 that's getting married, look. So later on today there'll be loads of people.
Later.
Yeah, because the family is really big.
There's a lot of.
And it'll go on through the...
Look, the cake.
It'll go on till late tonight. Let's see, get a peek of the cake. There you go. We're going to go to the church and just have a look at that, and then we'll come back for the reception later. So it's all looking good. Let's have a look at these. Whoa, sexy ladies. You You look so beautiful.
Thank you. Walang makeup.
And look at this handsome young man. Hello.
Hindi ka na nag-makeup.
Parang iratod ka, tigrasya.
Kahit natuwa na niyo.
Well, so this is all the makeup and hair preparations by the looks of it. Hello! That beautiful little lady. Busy, busy, busy. Whoa! Baby Rose, she looks so beautiful. Whoa! Oh! Hello! Another maganda. So the next bit, oh, my camera's going funny. The next, what's wrong with, oh, this is all going to, you know, baby. Yeah, this is the father of the bride.
Where's the bride?
I don't know. Where's the bride?
Over there.
We'll have to. I'll have to sort the camera out. You would not believe the problems I've had with memory cards. My GoPro's on its last legs. The second gimbal I've got, and that's about ready to go by the looks of it. It keeps going wrong. So we'll leave it there, and we'll see you at the church.